My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications which are associated with the site playmusicvideo1.com. This is yet another malicious site that may suddenly start attacking your browsers. The website tries to mislead people and to trick them into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they're humans and not robots. On the other hand, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow, and if the allow button is clicked, the browser will be hijacked and infected with a lot of advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. Now, you should deactivate these ads urgently. Access the menu, go to settings. Then you need to choose privacy and security. Click on site settings. Go to permissions and select notifications. So pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this playmusicvideo1.com, you should remove it from the list and also get rid of other junk sites from this list. After you do that, the problem should be fixed. But I also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.